Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm talking about a high growth stock called ZNGA. I think this stock could grow 2x to 3x to 4x if it keeps growing at this pace. This company is a really good company. I did some research about it. So ZNGA makes mobile games or mobile apps on platforms such as Apple and Google Play. They make all types of games, from chess games to puzzle games, to racing games, to gambling games or casino games. So if we go on to its website, we can see the types of games they make. One really popular game they make is CSR Racing 2, which is an app I actually downloaded before when I was like 16, a couple years ago, or 15, whatever. So if we scroll down, we can see all the games they made, and you could actually play the games on the App Store on either Google Play or Apple Store. So if we go on to their leadership, they have CEO Frank Gibber, I'm not even trying to kill it, Bernard Kim, and Gunnar Griffin. They all have long years of experience, especially their CEO. He worked at EA mobile thing, and I know a lot of you guys don't like EA, but still, he worked at EA. If we just click read more, he worked at EA before joining ZNGA, and he also worked at NFL, Madden, and FIFA games, and even Battlefield. So he has experience about games, about which games work, which games get the most profit. So for leadership, I think they're pretty good. Also, if we look at their stats for their quarter earnings, is pretty good too. So for 2020, they had the highest revenue and booking performance in history of the company. They made around $452 million, up 47% year over year, and it's in 2020. So this is with all this virus thing happening and all this pandemic thing happening too. And they also made $518 million in booking, up 38% year over year. They also had a record online game of user pay revenue of $388, up 61% year over year, and user pay booking of $455 million, up 47% year over year. And they also had generating operating cash flow of $145 million, their best performance since 2011, up 47% year over year. So they're growing massively in this low, I guess online gameplay right now is the highest, since there's really nothing to do, and most kids are staying at home and they're on their computer, they're playing games, they're spending money on online things. So if we look over here and see how many viewers they reached over 3 million total viewers and 13 million minutes watched for their Twitch Words with Friends in collaboration with Garth Brooks. And if we come down here, we can see their revenue, $430 million. Net increase in deferred revenue, $70 million. Net loss, $160 million. And diluted share count, which they are relatively new, so they're diluting some shares. Their booking, $500 million. Adjusted EBITDA, $335 million. So if we come here in mobile revenue, we can see a 94% growth in 2020, 96% growth in 2020 quarter one, 96% growth in 2019 quarter four, and we can see their revenues growing year over year, which is a good indicator of a very high potential growth stock. So if I was you guys, I would be buying right now, which matter of fact, I am going to be buying right now after I go through a couple of these numbers. Advertising revenue, this is ads they do on their videos. It did go down a bit for quarter two 2020, but they're still making a lot of money and still making a lot of progress, and they have a lot of room to grow. They could grow into other fields and create their own platform like Unity, a new stock that's gonna be IPOing tomorrow. So I'm gonna actually go and actually buy some of ZNGA, whatever it's called, stock. So I'm gonna go on Webull. If you guys want to sign up for Webull, I might put a link down in the description. So if I don't do that, just tell me, hey, you forgot the link, and I'll just put a link in the comments then. So I'm just come here, trade, and I'm gonna just buy a little bit. So I'm buying around 16. Confirm. Let me just deposit some money real quick. I'll just deposit around $30. Transfer. Agree. It should be popping up soon. Yep, right there. And let's buy some ZNGA. And if I'm saying it wrong, I'm not trying to do it on purpose. I think it's like Zynga or something like that. So SM amount $800. No, I just want a couple shares. Around 30 shares. I'm not worried about how many shares I have right now, since I'm going to what's called put more money week over week to increase my share position. So this is just my starting share. Matter of fact, I'm starting with you guys. So once this order goes through at $8.33, I'm gonna grow it over time, week after week, just putting $50 into that stock week after week, right? And I'm gonna grow my position along with you guys if you guys are investing in this stock, and we can just see how much it grows over the years. All right, well, that's it for this video. You guys could like, subscribe, and comment. Are you guys gonna buy the stock? Do you think this stock is overvalued? Do you like the stock? Do you think the stock's gonna grow over time? Well, that's it for this video. Peace out.